Hello! What is up gamers? Welcome to our first video. In this series, we will be making a sniper simulation game with realistic bullet physics. Step 1. Make a sniper model. For making a model, we need Blender. Blender, more like... Step 2. Understanding bullet physics. When a bullet is fired with an initial velocity, three forces act upon the bullet. Gravity, which drops the bullet, drag, which slows down the bullet speed over time, and then there is crosswinds, which can deflect the direction of the bullet. Apart from these forces, there's a sudden force generated by the bullet on the shooter known as recoil. The amount of recoil is affected by various factors such as dimensions of the weapon, weight of the bullet, and the type of weapon. This also includes the way the weapon is handled. Step 3. Scripting the weapon. For scripting the weapon, we need to program the bullet trajectory and recoil of the weapon. So we have created this trajectory calculator which returns the updated position of the bullet based on the bullet's initial velocity, the external forces, and the amount of time that has passed since the bullet was fired. This is how these factors alter the trajectory of the bullet. Speed increases or decreases the range of the bullet. Gravity alters the drop rate of the bullet. Drag slows down the bullet over time. And finally, there is bore angle. It's the angle between the bore axis and the scope axis of the weapon. It helps in zeroing the scope, which means whenever you look through the scope, you can take the perfect shot. This is how wind influences the trajectory of the bullet. And for recoil,
I think I'm about to steal!
And this is how recoil feels after implementing. Step 4. Setting up the level. For setting up the level, we need 4 things: map, environment, targets, and a scoring system. So let's add the player, the environment, some UI, and the targets. Now, after programming the scoring system and the game loop, our game is ready.
Wow!
Finally, we are done making the prototype. If you want to playtest it, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more such content.